Mineral oil migration from packaging to foodstuffs is a serious issue of concern for the food packaging industry. Recycled cardboard is considered to be a major source of contamination because mineral oil hydrocarbons found in printing inks aren't sufficiently removed by the recycling process. Even at room temperature, residues can migrate from the outer box through sealed bags to contaminate foods within. According to the European Food Safety Authority, the consequences for human health are serious. Mineral oil hydrocarbons can be mutagenic and carcinogenic. The European Commission has called for increased monitoring to establish a safe legal limit. Innovia's research and development specialists have investigated this issue extensively to find a solution.
To test for mineral oil barrier, we set up a sandwich structure to mimic a pack that you'd find on any supermarket shelf. We take a donor material, filter paper, and we'll spike it with an oil simulant. We started using paraffin oil, which is a mineral oil saturated hydrocarbon, shown to have fairly equivalent transmission as mineral oil aromatic hydrocarbon. This is then laid down into a foil package. We then put the piece of packaging film on top that we want to test, and then we put a food simulant or a receptor on top. This will pick up any migration of mineral that passes through the packaging film. This is then enclosed and taken to the oven to be incubated at 40 degrees for a set amount of time. This is an accelerated test, and we can calculate back to the same length of time at room temperature. Once the required amount of time has passed, we take the sandwich structure out of the oven, open up the foil and take away the food simulant or receptor. We put that into a flask and extract it with solvent. To make sure that we have the sensitivity, we concentrate up the solvent, and then that extract is analysed by gas chromatography. This tells us whether any mineral oil has passed through the packaging film. We found that certain acrylic formulations performed very well in these tests. We took that information and ran more trials. We looked at varying the formulations, we looked at the application method for the top coats, and we looked at different coat weights, resulting in our RCU mineral oil barrier film with 3-year effective barrier. Our initial work was written up and published in a recognised journal. It was important for us to get our films externally tested also, and we respected the work of the Cantonales laboratory in Zurich. Their approach has developed over time, and the method which is getting wider recognition uses 3 different surrogate materials which cover 3 different classes of chemicals. The testing shows that food safety is maintained because the threshold of toxicological concern of 10 ppb isn't exceeded if less than 1% transmission of the surrogates is detected. Our flagship mineral oil barrier film is RCU. This is available in different thicknesses, has excellent optical properties, heat seal and machinability. We continue to test our film's barrier properties, and we're looking forward to extending our portfolio of films for these applications. As legislation is introduced or as standard methods are introduced, we look forward to providing strong film solutions to our customers' future needs.
Innovia's versatile range of mineral oil barrier films offers proven protection against mineral oil migration, making it the ideal choice for a broad range of packaging applications. If you'd like more information about our mineral oil barrier films, please contact us. Innovia Films. Use our imagination.